Dhaka at night is a beautiful monster. From a distance, she's a jewel, a sprawl of gold and emerald lights. But here, in the belly of the beast, she is a grinding machine of bone and iron. We're suspended in a sea of amber, our front tire kissing the mudguards of trucks that loom like a prehistoric giants in the dark. The air is a soup of lead and humidity. You breathe and you taste the dust of 1,000 constructions, the sweat of 10 million souls. Every time the engine idles, the heat crawls up to your legs, a reminder that you are trapped in a city that has outgrown its own skin. Suddenly, the wind isn't your enemy, it's your sculptor. It carves the exhaustion of your face. The highway stretches out like a black silk ribbon, wet with the memory of rain, reflecting the moon in fractured silver. There is a math to this freedom, a poetry in the momentum. Potential energy is equals to half mv square. As the velocity doubles, the kinetic energy quadruples, and you feel it. It's not just speed, it's the shedding of a skin, the weight of the office, the pressure of the bills, the claustrophobia of the crowd. It all gets left behind in the vacuum of your wake. The highway at night is the only place where Dhaka lets you be alone. The sodium lamps, the overhead becomes a rhythmic pulse. Strobe, 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 a golden monotone for a song of iron and wind. You aren't just riding your bike. You aren't just riding your bike. You are a comet cutting through the dark matter of the city of Dhaka.